How to add an external bank account in Barclaycard app. If you want to add an external bank account in the Barclaycard app, you first of all go ahead and then launch the Barclaycard application on your mobile phone. You just have to log in using your usual login credentials. So I'll just allow all of these permissions here. If you haven't logged in, I'll just say welcome to Barclaycard, tap on I already have an account, and you just go ahead and then create your 5-digit passcode if you want to. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and confirm it right over there. So once I've entered my passcode over here and then you log into your Barclaycard app, just locate the section within the app that allows you to manage external bank account. So you can go ahead and then basically tap on this continue without or continue, whatever you have, choose the card you want to use to set up the app, and then you can go ahead and select that, right? Then when you've done that, you can select the option to add a new external bank account. Enter the routing number and account number for the external bank you want to link. Carefully review the information you've entered and then submit the details to link the account. And Barclays will likely send test deposits to verify the linked account. You'll need to confirm these deposits in the app. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.